Hello, Cookie Monster here. Me hoping that you getting lots of help and attention and smiles from your doctors and nurses today. Me here to show you me favorite thing to do. Using me imagination to play pretend with a blanket. Yeah, oh yeah, blanket. It's so soft and nice to touch. Yeah, you could use your blanket or a sheet. Me going to pretend that this blanket is the ocean. Yeah, here's how me do it. You hold blanket out and you move it up and down like this. Whoa! Look at that. Swish. Swishy, swish, swish. Whoosh, that the waves. Whoosh. Whoosh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at the waves and the water and whoa. Hey, what's under the water? Why, it little fishies. Oh, look at those cute little fishies. Ah, yeah. Okay, now we imagining that we sitting in a boat on a lake, just pretending that blanket is a sail. Yeah, me going to lift that side all the way up. Look at that. It like a sailboat sail. Yeah, and it's blowing in the breeze. Oh, what a lovely day. Yeah, oh, me having so much fun playing pretend with you. Okay, now it's your turn. What will blanket be next? Oh, maybe a superhero cape. Look at that. Super monster. Ha ha ha. Or maybe a magic carpet flying through the sky like this. Oh, off me go on the magic carpet ride.